Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about mainframes. What is actually mainframe? What are the key characteristics of mainframe? What are the mainframe tools? And if you want to become a mainframe developer, what are the skills that you need to possess? And finally, mainframes real-time usage. What is mainframe? Mainframes are large, powerful computers designed for handling extensive data processing and critical business applications. Mainframes are known for their reliability, scalability, and ability to handle massive workloads. They are often used by large enterprises and organizations for tasks like transaction processing, financial transactions, and data storage. IBM is a prominent manufacturer of mainframes, and their Z series mainframes have been widely used in various industries. While mainframes are not as prevalent as in the past due to the rise of distributed computing, cloud services, and other technologies, they remain a vital part of certain sectors where their unique capabilities are indispensable. Now let's look into the key characteristics of mainframes. First one is reliability. Mainframes are built with redundant components to ensure high availability and reliability. They are designed to minimize downtime. Second one is scalability. Mainframes can easily scale to accommodate increasing workloads. This scalability is crucial for organizations with growing data and processing needs. Security. Mainframes are known for their robust security features, making them suitable for handling sensitive and critical applications. They often include advanced encryption and access control mechanism. Parallel processing. Mainframes can execute multiple tasks simultaneously through parallel processing, enabling efficient utilization of resources and faster data processing. Legacy systems. Many mainframes continue to run legacy applications that are essential for business. Modernization efforts aim to integrate mainframe with newer technologies. What are the mainframe tools available? IBM ZOS utilities. These are a set of built-in utilities provided by IBM for managing datasets, performing batch processing, and handling various system tasks on ZOS operating system. IBM KICS, Customer Information Control System. KICS is a transaction processing system that allows mainframe applications to handle multiple concurrent transactions. It is commonly used for online transaction processing. IBM IMS, Information Management System. IMS is a database and transaction management system used for handling large amounts of data on mainframes. It's particularly well suited for hierarchical databases. JCL, Job Control Language. JCL is a scripting language used to define and execute batch jobs on mainframes. It is often used to submit and manage jobs in mainframe environment. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. COBOL is a programming language commonly used on mainframes for developing business-oriented applications. Many legacy mainframe systems are written in COBOL. DB2, Database Management System. IBM DB2 is a relational database management system used on mainframes for storing and retrieving data. It provides a SQL interface for interacting with the database. IBM Debug Tool. This tool is used for debugging COBOL, PLI, and assembler language programs on mainframes. It helps developers identify and fix issues in their code. IBM File Manager. File Manager is a tool used for browsing, editing, and managing files and datasets on mainframes. It provides a user-friendly interface for working with mainframes. Now, let's talk about the mainframe developer skills. Programming language. Proficiency in languages like COBOL, PLI, and Assembler, which are commonly used for mainframe development. JCL. Ability to write and understand JCL scripts for defining, submitting, and managing batch jobs on the mainframe. Database management systems. Knowledge of mainframe database systems such as IBM DB2 and IMS, including database design, SQL queries, and data manipulation. Mainframe development tools. Familiarity with tools like IBM Debug Tool, File Manager, and Data Studio for debugging, file management, and database development. Version control systems. Experience with version control systems like IBM Configuration Management Version Control CMVC or others used in mainframe environment. Testing and debugging. Proficient in testing techniques specific to mainframe applications and debugging tools for identifying and resolving errors is very essential. Kicks. Understanding of kicks for developing and maintaining online transaction processing applications on mainframe. VSAM, Virtual Storage Access Method. Knowledge of VSAM file handling for organizing and accessing data in various ways, including sequential and indexed access. Problem solving skills. Strong analytical and problem solving skills to troubleshoot issues in mainframe applications and ensure optimal performance. Soft skills. Effective communication and collaboration skills, as mainframe development often involves working with cross-functional teams and interacting with non-developers. Documentation. Ability to create comprehensive documentation for code, processes, and procedures, aiding in knowledge transfer and system maintenance. Adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability to work with legacy systems and the ability to integrate modern technologies if required. Let's move on to mainframe real-time usages. Space and research. NASA relies heavily on mainframes for various mission-critical tasks. Mainframe played a significant role in the Apollo moon missions, and they continue to be integral to space explorations. Insurance domain. LIC, the largest life insurance company in India, has utilized mainframes for policy management, premium processing, and other critical functions. Banking domain. The Central Banking Institution of India (RBI) has used mainframes for various financial and regulatory functions. IT industries. Major IT companies in India like TCS, Infosys, HCL, and Wipro uses mainframes for providing services such as maintenance, modernization, and development for their clients. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.